Welcome back everybody. Now you might be wondering what's wrong with our shower. The cats have very quickly figured out, when we got them, literally within days, how to climb the foam tiles, which has resulted in, well, you can see the damage here. Yeah, that was pretty quick. So we're going to be retiling the shower, and at the same time we're also going to be plumbing in our hot water, because the heat exchanger from our diesel hydronic heating system has been sitting under that couch for like over a year now. Yeah, something like that, over a year, and the poor thing hasn't been plumbed in. So we're going to get the hot water plumbed in so we can have hot water in the shower and in the sink. Instant hot water.
Alright, a quick announcement guys. So we know the plumbing can be a pain, especially for first time van converters like a lot of you are. So we've put together an online workshop that is all about camper van plumbing, where to start, all the basic questions and all the pros and cons of different systems and what you may need, what you may not need. Basically it's a place to ask you questions, design, and relax and have fun and enjoy the van building, van conversion process. So if you're looking for that, then the links are all down below for you to pick up and enjoy.
So I've been advised by Polly to keep things tidy because we are still living in the van full time. So tonight we are going to have to put the bed out on the floor and everything, so I can't make a huge mess. Right. Well, let's get the shower room looking a little bit more presentable. There we go. That's a bit better. Just the toilet now. Well, shower room is empty. Now we have to strip it all back because we need to be able to drill through these walls and re-stick some tiles on. So I don't really know how to start this. Should I just, start at the cat's claw mark and just... officially ruined the bathroom. So the tiles came off reasonably easy. I used as many methods as I could think of. The tiles came off. The foam, like the sticky bit on the back of the foam tiles, has not come off in most places. Now I've tried alcohol, I've tried industry cleaner, I've tried acetone, I've tried the original culprits. None of them can actually get off this. So I'm going to have a go with soap and a sponge and a scourer and see if that can get it off. But I could be here all night. Screw that. I'm moving on to something else. I'm going to be dismantling under here to see if we can make space for the new water tank and all the gubbins that are in this box. Like, got a tank, got another pump. When I say another pump, we have a submersible pump. This is an actual proper 12 volt pump, so got one of those, an accumulator and other bits and gubbins, so that all needs to fit in our cupboard, which is going to be a fun origami jigsaw puzzle. We measured it, it should precisely fit in. Oh!
Okay.
Right.
So obviously there's cables.
Yeah, I can rearrange
and this has to be moved. But it fits, so that fits, that's good.
Oh, you don't even want to know.
Ugh.
Sorry.
I do not recommend.
So we should be able to just take our sink out.
Sweet. Alright. Bath time.
For who? The cats? Right. Shall I go and clean those up?
That's what I meant by bath time.
Oh, okay. I thought you meant bath time for us in the tub. Kat, you have a new litter tray.
My humour is lost on you.
We're using John Guest fittings for pretty much all of our plumbing. So I'll show you how those work in a minute. But the reason we went with those is because they've been around in the UK for 50 years and pretty much they're just easy. So how it works, you've got a John Guest fitting here. This is threaded into the tank. So this is where the water will be going out of our cold water tank to our main system. We've got a little bit of a pipe and we've got our next connector, which is basically a shut-off valve. We've got our 15mm pipe. We're going to get one of these super seal things that basically go just in the pipe like that. And then it's literally just jam it in there. And there you go. That will not come out now, no matter how hard I pull. But if you did want to get this out, say you're replacing something or there's a leak, you basically, this little plastic tab that's here, you just pull it back, hold it back, and then just pull it out without making too much of a mess. How simple is that? Right. Ah, voila.
Summoned to see what's going on.
Who's this we? What's the cat going to do about the plumbing?
They're always helpful, no matter what's happening.
What we're trying to do at the moment, we're just figuring out how to get, because we need to put pipes through this wall to go through the shower to get to our heat exchanger, which is actually located under there. So we need to get pipes from here through the shower down there. So this is our plate heat exchanger. This is what's going to give us our hot water. So I've done a whole video on all of this plumbing, which is coming from our hydronic heater. So I'll link it up in this corner up here. So we've got glycol coming up and in, wiggles its way through, and then it comes out here to return to the heater to get heated up. In the meantime, from our shower unit over here, we'll have a cold water line coming round in here. Some of it will go in the heat exchanger, some of it will go across this mixer. The stuff in the heat exchanger will wiggle its way through and then come out here as hot water, about 80 degrees. But because of this cold mixer that will come along, and we've got a little thermostatic valve there, we can control the temperature of the hot water that will come out here, which should be around, I think, 60 degrees. And that will return and go down to the hot pipe work. And now I just need to do exactly what I just said and plumb this up. Magic. It is done. Don't worry about the mess. We'll tidy it up. We have plans. But the important thing is the pipework is all connected. Are you product testing?
I'm testing the power of Velcro. Yeah, it looks good. It looks like it should work.
Yeah.
I mean, I see a pipe here, a pipe there. Everything connects to what it's supposed to.
And I mean, I tried to push it to the edge as much as I could.
Yeah, I mean, I'm glad you figured out this, because that was a pain in the ass. So now we need to figure out a way to fill the tank without keeping the door open when it's -10 outside. Love the confetti.
Oh, what have we done? And that's gonna sit like so. Okay, do you want to do the honors?
Switch.
Switch. You need it a bit more than that.
So
Keep
hold
it
on. Are they self-priming?
Yes, this is going to prime the whole system.
Our main camera died, so GoPro it is. But anyway, 3, 2, 1. Oh look, there's water.
Water in the filter. Okay,
It stopped.
that might be primed. Leave the switch on. 1.
I'm hearing
Oh,
bubbles. Bubbles.
okay.
Here. Leak. Leak.
We've got a leak. Okay. There you go, I moved that. Cold water line. Yep. Oh, we have a leak
Ah.
in the grey water line.
Ooh.
Okay, well, sealant can fix that, I guess. Put that over the top. Okay.
Again?
Yeah, we're just going to get leaks here, but go ahead. It's a pretty substantial leak. And it looks like that tap is open, so I'm just going to shut it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Did I fix it? Ooh, who's a good boy? I fixed it.
Well done.
Do you want to turn the heating on then?
Yes, one thing, there's this.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, the hot water tap runs. Obviously the water's not hot yet.
Yeah, I just wanted to make sure that it actually runs.
Heating. So it has been exactly 5 minutes since we turned the heater on.
Okay, so hot water there. Still cold.
Still cold.
Oh, it's warm.
Hot.
Ah.
Now how hot? Okay, that's hot. That
Hot,
is
hot.
nearly too hot to touch.
But that's good, because
That's
that's what
good.
comes from the sink. No more the house.
That's not leaking. Shower. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the shower all the way to hot. Open it.
So touch it.
There you go. Ow. There you go, you can see the steam. Oh yeah. Yeah. 5 minutes. Hot water in 5 minutes.
We're not that waterproof.
Oh,
Well done, Sam.
I'm so happy. Oh, I'm just gonna lie on my hot floor with my hot sink.
Next to your hot shower.
Oh,
Woohoo.
4 days. It took 4 days. Well, 4 afternoons actually, because I'm working in the morning. 4 days. I know the shower's not waterproofed yet. Get to it in a minute.
I'll get to it in a minute.
Just need a few more days.
Done that. Alright, so...
We have hot water!
Oh, my ear, dude! I think you broke their eardrums, not just mine. But yes, the plumbing is done, the shower is working, and we can shower. And look at my hair. I mean, I washed it before the shower, you know that.
And the shower is now finally cat-proof as well, which helps.
I mean, they haven't scratched these towels off yet.
No.
So, you know,
I mean,
kudos, lasted more than half an hour. So, been there, done that. If you'd like more of our plumbing wisdom that we've gained over this experience, then the Campervan Plumbing Workshop is still running and is running for a limited time. So if you'd like to save your seat for it, then all the links are down below. We're also running a 15% off of the entire van conversion bootcamp, so you can get all 5 workshops for 15% off. Then, you know, just buy them individually. So if you need all of those, you're right at the beginning of the van build and it's all confusing and overwhelming and there's too many things going on, go there, we'll talk about it. There's plenty of opportunities for you to ask questions and we will answer you. And next week we're gonna be off to the snow and we're gonna see how our heating holds up.